Oh, tell me when to start recording.
Now!
Yeah. Wow. Wait, what's this? Everyday dance.
Nathan, what do we do to the JZAs?
Wait.
Subscribe!
Hello!
Yes!
We're going to the main tomorrow.
Oh, are you?
Yeah, we're sure.
Oh, nice. I'm not. Because I'm
Doing the travel card
Yes.
on Friday.
gay.
Oh,
What's better, Cummins or Perkins?
Cummins because maybe that's the. Oh no, you do. No. What's your favourite engine? Cummins or Perkins?
Cummins, only because it's got the word cum in it.
Oh, rude! Wait, I think I'm gonna go up there. What?
Now, back here's better.
Yeah. Yeah, look at all these wagons. 4 Oscar 43s at Shawford.
Whiskey.
Wait, go!
Oh, for God's sake, I wanted the fast. Yes! It's not the shed, it's the 01.
Oh, one?
The 01 in Arlington.
Oh, yeah. Oh, bravo!
Ew.
Yeah.
You are now being banished to the unfunny meme realm. Wait, 66 is going! Sean, it's not. I was just pissing with you. Sean!
That's the whiskey. Oh, it's got a single yellow. Feather indicator. A stinky yellow.
I'm not toning this. I don't want to scare myself after death. Oh, whiskey.
That definitely needs to go in trains and
That was loud.
train halls.
Oh, Leo!
Oh, Leo! There's the leaf on the thing!
Oh, there is! There's an actual tree on it! Look, there's a tree on the container! It's a tree! It's a tree!
All I can hear is annoying steel noises and nothing else.
All I can hear is annoying wheel flap, wheel flap, wheel flap.
Yeah.
Bro put the brakes on too hard. Skull. There's like 2 2 containers on this whole train. No, it's not John Hannigan's, it's nonsense. Nonsense.
I like that one. There's the 47.
It's not going to leave.
It's leaving at 15. Yeah, it's leaving at 15:10. Ooh.
Is it still showing
You know
it is
what?
running?
Did it say it's one required or? I think it's just saying no report just yet, so it could be. Hiya! Hello! Sweet!
Clag one.
Yep, that's a clacky. That's like my nan's notes.
I do, yes.
Oh, yes. That was funny. Oh, no way. I can't.
019 is on the back of this, yeah.
Yeah, this is Craig Tweak in a nutshell. 450. Wait, what are the couplings to 450?
Dolner, I think.
It could be one of the. I think it might be cast here.
Six 781.
That's got a wonky nameplate.
Oh yeah, it does.
Well, there was work
You know what I don't get is why they don't just keep this going and get it to Southampton. I've seen them do that. There might be.
The Voyager.
Yeah, the Voyager's probably there. Nothing can go through to Bournemouth. How many platforms are at Ashurst, New Forest? 2?
2.
Oh, that sucks though. Oh, I would love that.
We're getting number 3. Bye. This is 70. See you later. See ya.
Yes!
I didn't get it on camera.
Legend.
Fuck's sake. I got it, don't worry. Bastards!
You're just angry you didn't get it on film.
Oh!
Oh!
I have the shits.
Oh yeah, I remember that.
I have the shits.
See, I told you should get it on film.
I wasn't expecting that.
I was.
Yeah.
Instead of oh yay, oh gay.
Gay then.
Well, that was nice with that driver.
Oh, I can't do that.
Oh, we've got another whiskey.
Oh wait, there's another one.
Yes, sometimes the bossman say, fuck me, fuck me, fuck me.
I'm filming.
Is there one down at the back door?
And also
Down in the bush.
for free. I swear we got tones off of this last time we were here. I'm the only one out of our friend group who wasn't here for all of those tones. Yeah.
Ain't no way it's going back to Coatbridge.
We're ready.
Nah, we're getting out of Eastleigh with this one. Fire speaking Ed.
I thought that was Coast. Come on, give us tones.
Come on, give us a tone! Give us a tone!
Come on, I don't think you can see us.
Blood wasn't even looking. Skull.
They tell us off soon because the residents will.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
Oh, it's like a time when you were begging for so
Oh,
many
I know!
times.
We were doing this so much last time I was here. One of the station staff came and told us to stop. That's the first time that's ever happened. That was a mega day, though.
There isn't many containers on Sierra 59 regularly.
No. Yeah, it's kind of a bit, you know.
Empty.
I understand why residents may complain about train horns, but also, what do you expect when you move next to a railway
I
line?
know, but we're not allowed to say that. You are.
Yeah. Hopefully, time. Why didn't you? Oops. I'm filming it.
Is that 273 up there?
Yes. Wonder if he'll tone.
Okay. So what are you looking for? Oh, this one.
Woo! He left. So funny that just as we're on the stairs going over this side, it's The train's gonna leave. I think it's better being here anyways, because they keep stopping the whiskies there.
So, what are we waiting for?
Freight, a shed. Shed and a 69.
Shall we?
Yeah.
We're going to get high and pointed now.
Oh, blow it.
That's what she said.
Get in there!
Clippers. Shut up. 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 What do you mean? Oh, Gronk.
Hey, yo, no way, it's Diesel from Thomas.
Oh, Desi. Blimey, that was good.
683.
Yep. It does! See what I mean about it sounding like a duff?
Yeah. So,
Desi jump scare!
when you find 12 carriage when you find 12 carriage Desi in your 8 carriage Desi meal.
1550 Southwestern Railway service to Bromley via Chandler's Ford, between at Chandler's Ford and Bromley. This train has 2 carriages. The first set of doors in carriage 1 are not open. Please use all other available doors on this train.
What?
You messing with things funny.
What's when?
Right now.
Where? Where?
Redbridge. And he ain't going nowhere near. What?
The new measurement train, HST.
Come on.
Are you filming?
Yeah, fuck it.
It's going now though.
Blow it.
That's what she said.
So how late is the 69?
69 minutes. You filming? Leah?
No, it's not.
No. I think it's passing.
I mean, there's guys up there, so I reckon it's going to give it to him anyway.
Oh, it's 007! It is! And small foundation. And Give us a tone. Give us a tone. Oh, that third rail is good.
What?
The third rail.
Let him go.
What time is it?
16:17.
Voyager in about 5-10 minutes or so. Almost hit a pigeon.
Jesus. Just like
Oh, it caught a bit of the book! There's a bit of the book on it! The book!
we're gonna be getting on board the 10 coach Desi.
Oh, cool. Do you know what they'll be?
444, 034 and 022.
Oh, okay. Nothing interesting then.
I bet one of them's gonna be an old livery.
Do you?
Yeah. Is that a fruit?
Yeah.
Yep, one whiskey 54.
Is that a 5 car? Oh, 11. It's a 5 car as well.
That's a sardine filled one.
Yeah, I'm not surprised.
Yeah.
I'm gonna catch some of the sparkies up here. Yeah. I've seen better.
Ah, it's 136. Disappointing. Spick and span.
Oh yeah, it does. She was claggy as well.
That's the first time I've ever seen a 73 run on the diesel.
Woo!
Goodness.
You shouldn't have said don't diesel the 73. That's bloody amazing.
Yeah, never mind. Wait,
Never mind. Diesel the 73.
don't diesel the 73. Change my mind.
Yeah.
Diesel mode it.
Yeah, diesel mode. Diesel for the win.
Nice. Diesel is better for clagging, but electric.
045. Just one more Desi to finish. I think I hear it. There it is. 220.021.